I don't care, I don't wanna know what the world outside is doing, 'cause it's just you and me, intertwined with red wine. It's the only poison strong enough to convince me that this is real. Somewhere we've never been, stuck on a mountain down in Sheffield, running for the bus again. Maybe we'll just stay here. Coffee sucks, but
Good morning, everyone. Today I decided that I wanted to reset my life. I have been kind of feeling like in a rut lately. I had a lot of things to do for work and a lot of personal stuff also, so I wasn't into routines and I miss it so much. So I decided that I wanted to get my life back together. So I am gonna try to take care of myself by doing a lot of self-care. I have been struggling to wake up and go to bed at the same time each day. All those few weeks or days I have been going to bed and waking up at different time each day, so I don't like how I feel when I don't have a proper routine. So I'm seriously gonna try to do my best and go to bed and wake up each day at the same time. And now I am gonna get ready to go out.
coffee sucks, but I've not thought about leaving yet. You can quit that job you hate.